Hello everyone, today I am going to speak about an interesting optimization from the SEO point of view, that is WebP image format. Now the thing is, before digging dive, let us first understand why a format of an image is important in the field of SEO. So there is 4 particular reasons for the same. The first important thing is that whenever for SEO, it's very important for a website to load faster, and if a website wants to load fast, then an image should be within its recommended size limits. The server should be capable of loading the images faster. The second important thing is, during compression, the image should not reduce its quality. That can affect the user experiences, resulting in high bounce rates. Third important thing is that if the image does not loads up properly, then this can really contradict with the functionality of the lazy loading or asynchronous JavaScript. And last but not the least, it's always recommended to use a better compression for the images, because this really keeps the site healthy and a positive score on all of the core web vitals. Now, few years back, SEO expert used to compress JPG or PNG images to reduce their sizes or bandwidth. A couple of common examples were tiny PNG or tiny JPG. People also used to reduce the sizes of the images and a lot more. But the thing is that now a new technique have been a favorable technique for webmasters, web developers and SEO experts, that is to convert any of the existing images to WebP format. Now, what exactly is a WebP format? So basically, WebP format is a website browser based format for an images, which makes sure that a particular image only loads into a browser whenever some request is sent to a browser. Then only that image would be loaded. No one can view the image physically from any devices. Rather, only when some request is rendered to the browser and the server, then the image will get loaded. So this is a kind of a browser rendering based image serving. Now, the advantages of WebP format is that there are various advantages, but couple of advantages which I am going to explain now. The first advantage is that WebP images, according to a study of Google, it is nearly 30% more compressible than JPG. So for any JPEG or JPG image formats, this is 30% more compressible. The second thing is, the size of WebP images is extremely lower, so this does not affect the page size, and also this does not affect the page load time as well. The third most important point is that for WebP formats, the compression or the losslessness is quite lower. So it means that the resolution, the bandwidth, the clarity, the pixel density of any images would be quite lower, or the loss would be quite on the minimalistic side. So this means that you can get a very low sized image, and at the same time the bandwidth and the resolution of the image would be quite higher. So obviously you are serving both the purpose at the same time. You are making your site load faster, and you are also creating a good user experience for your users as well. Now the thing is, how you can convert your images to WebP. So there are multiple converters. So some of the common names, as you can see from the screen. So you can just take any of your JPEG images, and then but make sure to compress those images using tiny JPEG or tiny PNG, and then use the free converters, upload those images and download the WebP format. You can re-upload the WebP format to your website and just rename the location of src HTML code, and this would make sure that your website is serving the WebP format. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.